Cell and gene therapies are revolutionizing modern medicine by offering innovative treatment options for complex and life-threatening diseases. However, these advanced therapies also introduce highly specialized manufacturing, operational, and regulatory challenges that require deep technical expertise and precise execution. At Oak Biosolutions, we provide specialized technical operations support for autologous and allogeneic cell therapies, as well as viral vector-based gene therapy platforms, helping organizations successfully manage complex manufacturing environments while maintaining compliance and operational continuity. Our team supports advanced therapy manufacturing operations across multiple stages of the product lifecycle, including process development, clinical manufacturing, commercial readiness, and lifecycle management. We understand the importance of maintaining product integrity, process consistency, and uninterrupted supply in highly controlled GXP environments, where even minor operational issues can significantly impact patient outcomes. Oak Biosolutions serves as a subject matter expert for complex GXP investigations and technical operations challenges. We support deviation investigations, CARPR management, root cause analysis, and technical troubleshooting activities while ensuring all documentation remains scientifically sound and compliant with FDA and global regulatory expectations. Our team works closely with clients to identify process risks, implement corrective actions, and maintain operational stability during both routine and high-priority manufacturing activities. We also provide support for process characterization, comparability studies, and process lifecycle management activities designed to improve manufacturing robustness and scalability. Advanced therapies often involve highly sensitive materials, evolving technologies, and complex production systems. Our experts help organizations optimize manufacturing processes, strengthen process control strategies, and improve long-term operational performance using data-driven and science-based approaches. Collaboration across multiple departments is critical in cell and gene therapy operations. At Oak Biosolutions, we coordinate closely with manufacturing, MSAT, quality, regulatory, supply chain, and other cross-functional teams to efficiently resolve technical issues and support continuous production activities. Our operational approach focuses on communication, technical alignment, and proactive problem-solving to minimize disruptions and maintain manufacturing timelines. In addition, we help clients strengthen operational readiness by supporting manufacturing investigations, technical documentation, process improvements, and compliance initiatives that align with industry best practices and evolving regulatory requirements. Our goal is to help organizations successfully advance innovative therapies while maintaining the highest standards of quality, safety, and compliance. At Oak Biosolutions, we are committed to helping organizations overcome the unique technical and operational challenges associated with advanced therapy manufacturing. Through scientific expertise, operational excellence, and regulatory-focused strategies, we help clients support innovation while driving successful product development and commercialization. To learn more about our cell and gene therapy technical operations services, please visit www.oakbiosolutions.com.